that truck.
Look at this bumper, dude. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another new day here with this beautiful 2001 Toyota Tacoma. It's in beautiful condition today. You remember in the last video we did get this bed shoved on here and we got the bed liner all put in it. Today what we're hoping to do is get the tailgate out, get it all put back together, get it stuck on the truck, possibly get the tail lights in there, get them all wired up, get it blinking some red so we can get this sucker on the road. And I did bring the old bumper with us. It goes on the back. Paid no mind to the red paint because me and the red paint had some stuff to do in the house. No big deal. So what we got, you do know that we got the super clean giveaway going on. Today's the day we're going to announce the winner. So stay tuned to the video. Here shortly, we will get right to that. Alrighty guys, man, we've been working like crazy tonight. I mean, everything's going really good. Look at these sweet taillights, man. These things they're sweet. There was a little bit of confusion just a minute ago, because when you put it in reverse, this sucker come on. When you turn the turn signal on, that sucker come on. It was a Wildcat. They're like, hey, you wired it up wrong. And I'm like, dude, you just plug it up. You can't wire it up wrong, you know? So the bulb was in the wrong hole. So I fixed that right up. It just all fixed up now. We got this new bumper all put on. Man, it's looking amazing. We got the tailgate put on, but we forgot to order the handle. We ain't got no handle yet, along with the front emblem, but we got that stuff ordered today. So we did do a really good job on what we thought we'd do right now. We would just take a break. We're gonna draw for the winner. All right, boy, that was a lot of fun. It's all right, Jeremy Moreland, you're the lucky winner of the Super Clean. All you got to do is DM us on Instagram, orangewires1, or email us at orangewires2@gmail.com, and we will send that out to you. Congratulations, this was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy it.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
All right, guys, so we got the tailgate on, the bumper on, tail lights, headlights, everything's wired right, working right. We're about to take this thing, and these tires are gonna touch the pavement for the first time in months. We're gonna head to the official Orange Wires garage, and we're gonna finish this thing up, hopefully real soon.
All righty, man, we made that journey. OCC was just cutting donuts and everything in this thing. It just scooting down the road. I was just following him. It's dark and raining. It's just a bad night to be out. But you know what? We made it here. It's all good. We got us a little emblem ordered for this thing. It's gonna be perfect as it can be for a 20-year-old truck. That's what I'm gonna say. It's gonna be just as perfect as it can be for a 20-year-old truck. It's already came a long, long way. You know, we got a few things we got to start putting, that inside back together. A part of me wishes we wouldn't have took it apart so long ago. But you know what? You know, we did. We had a bunch of stuff happen in the middle, you know, some folks got sick, and that's just the way it is, you know. But you know what? It's going really good. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. We appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, we're out.